Once again, guys, you guys are welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Easy the Trader. So guys, in case you are coming here for the first time, I want you guys to take out time to support this channel. Now in today's video, guys, this is a section of my YouTube channel whereby I come here to show you to do pre-market analysis. I'm going to be doing top-down analysis on different currency pairs that can actually help you make money. In case if you don't know who I am, probably have not heard about me before and you're just seeing this channel for the first time and you're wondering what can I do on the chart. So guys, I'm going to be showing you proof of what I've done in the past to be able to show you guys that I can actually predict the direction of the market. Like if you go to back to this channel sometimes in January when I came here to make some prediction, guys, I'm going to be showing you guys what actually happened right there. Okay, so I came here sometimes in January to make a prediction. Okay, I think that was this video right here. I'm going to leave the link in the description, right? So this was a video I did in January. Okay, and I told you guys that then oil was still around $74 okay. I made prediction on oil, that was in January, okay, and I told you guys that oil is going to go to $83, right? In case if you are doubting me, let me just go ahead and play this video so that you hear it for yourself. Temporarily you might see some bullish move to come to retest this trend line, okay. You might see some bullish move that might come in to 83. So guys, you can head it right there, right? I told you guys that you're going to be seeing some bullish move that will come in to 83 to retest this $83, okay. And if we come to today, let's just see what later happened after this analysis and prediction. If you want to watch the full video, the link is going to be in the description so that you know how I arrived at that. Remember when I did the analysis, the market was trending around here, okay. At the market, I've gone ahead to give at least from 84 from around $84 to the market brought in 1,300 pips move, okay, before actually going down. As you can see, the market actually went to test this trend line just as I predicted in the video, right? I told you guys that the market was overall bearish, so you should be expecting bearish move overall for the year, okay. But temporarily the market should pull up, should give us some bulls run, okay. And the market did exactly that, guys. It came in to test this trend line before it started dropping. It came back to retest this $83 level I mentioned before it continues to fall down. So guys, now this is one prediction. Now there's another prediction I made again. I think that was on gold, right? I analyzed gold in January and I showed you guys where the market was going to be. I told you guys the market is going to be giving us at least 1,000 pip from the location. I analyzed the video, I analyzed the chart. Okay, now for proof, let me just go back to show you guys what happened if actually I did this analysis. And remember, I did this analysis sometimes in the January of this 2024. Now the reason why I'm showing you guys this proof so that you take whatever I'm going to show you next seriously, because that's how I come here to do analysis. You guys don't take it seriously and you don't make money, okay. Now just pay attention to what I'm going to be showing you guys next. Okay, gold is about to go up, it's about to shoot up, and this time around it's going to be shooting up. So guys, pay attention to what I'm saying right here. This was analysis I did in January. Decide what he wants to do. Okay, gold is about to go up, it's about to shoot up, and this time around it's going to be shooting up real mad, guys. It's going to be shooting up like gold has up to let me just check the pip count from this zone to this zone. This is mad. Let me see. Okay, let me do it like this. From this zone to this zone. Now guys, we're talking about where is around how many pips? That's around 1,386 pips or thereabout. Okay, around 1,000 plus pips, counting from here to here. So I think gold is about to shoot out from this place to this place. So guys, that was my analysis in January when I told you guys that gold was about to shoot up real mad. Now let's go to today's market and see if what I said actually played out, okay. Now as you can see, guys, when this analysis was done in January, the market was trading around this region, okay, and immediately after my analysis the market shot up to the to this 21 basis point price level, Okay, I think this is around the 2,180 something dollars per gold something right there. Okay, I think this is not basis points, this is the price, actual price, 2,100 and something dollars. Okay, and I made that prediction all the way from this place. So gold actually eventually gave us 1,000 plus pips immediately after my analysis. And then overall, you remember in that video I told you guys that gold is going to be shooting up madly this year. Okay, so overall this year gold has was from the place I made the analysis. Okay, from the point I made the analysis, gold has eventually gave us up to 7,700 pips, right? Almost 7,000 pips. So imagine if when I did this analysis, now I'm a position holder, or I decide to put like 10 lot size or even 5 lot size and let it alone and just forget about it, only for me to come back right now, I'll be a massive, you'll be a massive profit. So guys, I want you guys to pay attention. Now if you do analysis once and you are correct, probably it's a mistake, but if you do it the second time and you are correct, it's probably a guesswork. But if you do it a third time and you are correct, it's no longer a mistake or a guesswork, it is now a skills, guys. Now, so guys, this is a skills I'm displaying right here. I've done this thing again and again. If you go through this channel, you're going to be seeing a lot of predictions that I've made, right? 80% of our predictions always come to pass. I know sometimes there's that 20% that might not work, but you are certain that if I come here and analyze a chart for you guys, go take it to the bank, it's going to play out, especially when I'm giving you this kind of long-term predictions. It always plays out, guys. So guys, pay attention to what I'm going to be doing. I also did analysis on US30, which I've eventually played out also. So the video link I just showed you, I'm going to leave it in the video in the description, so you can go and watch it and see how I arrive at the prediction, because I also teach you guys how I was able to do that. So I did just go ahead and show you guys prediction. I'll show you guys how I was able to arrive at that prediction. So guys, in today's video, guys, I'm going to be predicting gold, right? I want to show you guys, I want to do some pre-market analysis on gold and be able to come together and decide where this market should be headed next. Okay, because obviously gold has been bullish for the longest time. Now let's try to see if this market is about to start falling, or is it going to continue shooting up. Okay, at least for the ending part of this year. But what I'm going to be telling you guys is that if you are one of those people that are looking for opportunity to trade gold, especially in this December, I'll just advise you wait. Okay, wait to like January ending or something before you start trading gold, because right now the market is unsaturated, right? So it is not a good time for you guys to trade, because of the market might be moving up and down, but eventually it will continue in the direction. So now, without any further ado, just taking a look at the chart right here, you already tell where the market is going. But first of all, I want to go ahead and go to our monthly chart. So guys, if you come to the monthly chart right now, I don't need to do much thing right here. As you can see, the market is pushing up, right? There is no two ways about this. The market is pushing up massively. Okay, now let me just try to trace this thing with our trend line, okay, to know when the market will eventually breach our trend line. Okay, so as you can see, this trend line is the one supporting this market for the over how many years right now. Okay, that was since 2016 or thereabout. The market, this center has been sustaining this market. This market has been pushing up. Okay, now the key levels, we have already exhausted all our key levels. Okay, now some of you that have been wondering what is key level, this is a key level, and there was a key level right here too. Okay, but the reason I deleted all the key levels I mapped out before is because the key level is no longer in play right now. Okay, as you can see, the market has left all these key level. The closest key level is the one right. Most of the key zone has been exhausted because the market is now trading in a new area, in uncharted region. Now this region, the market have not been there before, right? So you can't actually spot out major key zones from this region, but that doesn't mean that you cannot trade it, right? So as you can see right here from the candlestick analysis, there's a weakness of this market right here. Okay, now last month was kind of weak, but you see that the bulls have come in, right? That was why you see this massive wick right there. Okay, there's this massive shadow right here. So it was like a draw between the buyers and the sellers in this gold market. That means the buyers is still very much strong from the monthly analysis, but if you go to the weekly analysis, right? We'll have to bring in another trend line right here. Okay, as you can see now, this trend line, or this trend line is violated, it means that this market is still shooting up. Okay, now there are a lot of rules to guiding trend line trading that I cannot put in this video right now. This market can break this trend line and trade all the way to this level and then continue going up. It does not mean that it has violated the trend line, because there are different kind of breakouts. You guys don't understand what it means that the trend line is violated. Before a trend line will be violated, there must be a retest. Okay, if there's no retest, it means that that trend line is still very much active. Okay, so guys, until this trend line is probably properly violated, that means this market is still a bullish momentum. So guys, as you can see from the monthly, from the weekly, is still bullish. Now let's go to the daily. What we are doing right here is called top down analysis, guys. We are doing what is called top down analysis. So guys, from the weekly, you can, from the daily right now, you can see it is still very much bullish. Okay, but we can draw a lead trend line right here, or counter trend line, a CTR trend line. Now this trend line is going to be our signal. Okay, it's going to be our signal for swing trade. If you want to swing this, okay, all you need to do is to wait for this trend line to be properly taken out. Okay, to be properly violated, not just taken out. Okay, wait for the trend line to be properly violated. Now take a breakthrough either from a trend line to be properly violated. Okay, I don't know how to explain this to you guys. If you see a bullish candle breaking through this trend line, right, it's okay, you can actually trade it, but the trend line is not yet violated until there's a retest. Okay, once there's a retest, that's when you know that this trend line is properly violated and the market is now ready to shoot up. Okay, but this market is still very much bullish, and I believe we are going to be seeing bullish moves in the coming months. Okay, but then again, this market has reached the exhaustion point. It has reached an exhaustion point, right? If you try to use your what is called the Fibonacci tool, okay, and what happens once the market reaches exhaustion point, they tend to be a massive retracement. Okay, so guys, you should be looking out for massive retracement from this market. Okay, as long as it hasn't broken this guy, that means the market is not bullish right now. It's not yet ready to continue going up. It might keep going down and come to retest this trend line before it continues to shoot up. So guys, you want to know, that's why I say, guys, you should just wait. If you're not a scalper, you should be waiting, guys. If you're probably a day trader, you should be waiting, because there is no much opportunity for you right now in this market. Let's wait till like January before you can take decision. But if you're a scalper, of course there's always opportunity for you to trade, because you're just in for 5-15 minutes and you're out. Scalpers always have opportunity in the market, okay, except you are just a day trader or a swing trader like us. That is when you have to wait to see a good market direction before you can continue the market, because right now there's a very good bearish build up, as you can see. Okay, as you can see right here, there's a head, inverse head and shoulder right here. There's a head and there's a right and the left shoulder. This is the 4 hours time frame, and the market dropped to this level. Look at the neckline. The market came back to retest this neckline again. Okay, it has come to retest it like twice right now. Let me put this right here. Okay, the market, this is a neckline right here. Okay, the market came back to retest, came back here to retest, came back to retest, and dropped. So this neckline keep dropping this market. So guys, this is a valid head and shoulder. Okay, and the market, this was responsible for the pull down of this market. So guys, until the market has completely exhaust this selling pressure in this market, okay, it is very risky for you to buy it, right? So you need to allow it to exhaust the selling pressure, and that will happen when it has broken this trend line right here. So guys, the question is, as a day trader, is there a tradable opportunity right here, right? Depending on the strategy you trade. But I've told you guys that right now, as you can see, the market is now moving sideways, right? This guy is giving you equal highs, okay, higher lows. This means it has entered some form of range. So that's why I say that you should just wait for it to finish ranging, because any setup you see here can be validated any moment. If you see a bullish setup, it will just invalidate it until these two things plays out. One is either it takes out this trend line properly, take it out, test it, that you know it's good to go, or it comes down further to retest this trend line and then give us a proper bullish setup on this trend line. Okay, then you know you are good to go. So until those things happen, you need to be very, very careful. Now you need to watch this trend line. This trend line is a very important trend line in this market. Okay, it's going to affect it starting for the third time. So you want to watch it when the market comes in. So is there a tradable opportunity for me right now? I don't think so. There's nothing tradable in gold. So you need to give it time from now to January. Let's see how it's going to play out. So guys, I don't want to waste any further of your time. Just tell me the pair you want me to break down, and I'm going to be doing analysis on those pairs for you guys. Okay, I don't want this video to be too long. I think with what I've shown you guys in this video, you're going to be taking advantage of the information I provided right here. So guys, I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video, and bye for now.